If you wear soft contact lenses, you've probably noticed there are a bunch of different contact lens solutions out there, including name brand and generic. The question is, what are the best solutions for your eyes? In this video, we're going to go over the best solutions for beginners, as well as for people that have sensitive or even dry eyes. Let's focus in. Hey, howdy everybody, this is Dr. Neil Gaiman, Dr. Eye Guy, going over everything about the eyes. And we're going to jump right into the name brands of contact lens solutions and maybe why your eye doctor has recommended these over other brands. Also later in the video, we'll go over how these compare to generic contact lens solutions and why these might be worth the extra money. Now, I want to mention that I am not sponsored in any way by any of these brands of contact lens solutions. This just comes from personal experience, what I recommend to patients, what I've also used when I've worn contact lenses. I have used every one of these contact lens solutions that we'll talk about in this video. Also remember, every contact lens solution that we talk about in the video, I'll put links to them in the description below so you can check out more detailed information about them, as well as the cost of each contact lens solution. Likely the top two contact lens solutions that you have heard of or maybe even used are the Bausch & Lomb Biotrue and the Alcon Opti-Free PureMoist contact lens solutions. These are definitely the highest rated among patients, users of contacts, as well as doctors who recommend them. Bausch & Lomb Biotrue contact lens solution is actually the most sold right now as of making this video on Amazon. And it's also one of the highest rated contact lens solutions on Amazon. So this is definitely on the top of the list, one of the best contact lens solutions that you can get. The nice thing about Biotrue contact lens solution is that it has a little bit less preservatives in there. So people that have really sensitive eyes or sometimes dry eyes, they might be sensitive to the preservatives in other multi-purpose contact lens solutions. And so Biotrue is definitely a good option for you to try because it has less preservatives in there, a little bit healthier for the surface of the eye, and it could make it more comfortable for you to wear your contact lenses. Opti-Free PureMoist is definitely one of the most recommended contact lens solutions by eye doctors, one of the most highly rated and most sold on Amazon right now. And what makes Opti-Free PureMoist a little bit special is that it comes with HydraGlyde, is what they call a moisture matrix for your soft contacts. Pretty much what it does is that it will coat the surface of your contacts and protect it and keep it moist, pure moist, for longer periods of time. So with this contact lens solution, you might be able to wear your contacts a little bit longer during the day and have more comfort longer during the day. And this is actually the contact lens solution that I used when I was wearing contact lenses. I preferred this one over the other ones, but definitely worth a shot. See if you like it compared to the other solutions. Another very common and top brand of contact lens solution is the Revitalens. And this is actually a Johnson & Johnson acquired contact lens solution, part of the Acuvue family. And Acuvue may sound familiar because there are a lot of contact lenses out there, Acuvue Oasis and Acuvue Vita, the 2-week and 1-month contact lenses that are very popular and very comfortable. And this contact lens solution teams up and pairs with those contact lenses very well. And so this is something definitely consider, especially if you're wearing one of those contact lens brands, the Oasis or the Vita or any Acuvue product really. Now, like I've mentioned, all three of these multi-purpose contact lens solutions do have preservatives in the contact lens solutions to disinfect your contact lenses. But one problem is sometimes people may be sensitive or even allergic to the preservatives that are in the contact lens solutions. And so if your eyes are definitely sensitive to certain preservatives or maybe other ingredients in the contact lens solutions, then one contact lens solution that you definitely need to consider is ClearCare. ClearCare is one of the more unique contact lens solutions out there. It is preservative free and it's 3% hydrogen peroxide. Now, it is the more serious contact lens solution out there and you need to follow the instructions exactly. This is a contact lens solution that you never want to put directly in your eye. In fact, on the box it says when you fill up the case of the contact lens solution, the contacts have to sit in the special case that it comes with for at least 6 hours. That 6 hours will then neutralize the hydrogen peroxide to a sterile water. If you take the contact lenses out before that 6 hours is done and put it in your eye, it can burn your eyes and actually give you a chemical burn. Sometimes if you put the contact lens solutions directly in your eye, or sometimes people think that they can rinse the contact after it's been sitting for 6 hours. They'll rinse it with the contact lens solution and put it in their eye. That's a big no-no. I've seen many patients that have come in with chemical burns on their eyes where we've had to treat their eyes, and that's usually only a mistake that you make once, but make sure that you follow the instructions exactly on the box. So here are a few tips with the different contact lens solutions. For these top 3 brands of contact lens solutions, make sure that you're following the instructions. Each contact lens solution brand has a specific instruction of how you can clean the contact lenses. They'll each have a specific amount of time that you need to rub the contact lenses, the amount of time that you rinse the contact lenses, and the amount of time that you actually store the contact lenses in your contact lens case. And for these 3 different solutions, I'll put a little diagram above the contact lens boxes so you can kind of refer to it to get the specifics of each brand. And one thing that I have to mention is that each brand or each company that makes contact lens solutions also make contact lenses. And a lot of times their contact lens solutions work the best synergistically with their contact lenses. For example, if you are wearing Bausch & Lomb Ultra contact lenses, Bausch & Lomb also makes a Biotrue contact lens solution. And so usually people that wear Ultra lenses do the best with Biotrue contact lens solution. Or if you're wearing Air Optics plus HydraGlyde, Opti-Free PureMoist with HydraGlyde usually works better with that Air Optics brand. Or if you're wearing Acuvue Vita or Acuvue Oasis contact lenses, the Acuvue Revitalens contact lens solution may work better with that brand of contacts. Now, when you're shopping for contact lens solutions, that you'll notice that there are generic versions of these contact lens solutions, and sometimes you actually can get them for half of the price of these contact lens solutions. So the question is, are these name brand contact lens solutions worth the extra money? Now, the biggest thing to note between generic brands and name brands of contact lens solutions, even though the generic brands say that they compare to the name brand, they are not the same thing. They are older technology. These name brands companies have spent a lot of money to find the perfect balance between preservatives and the conditioning solutions in there that make the contacts be more comfortable. Now, there are a lot of people that do fine with the generic brands of contact lens solutions. They are an older technology with different preservatives. Sometimes those preservatives can be a little bit more irritating to the eyes. Also, sometimes when they change manufacturers, you won't get a consistent product. Sometimes the combination and the ratios in those contact lenses might not be the same even from month to month or year to year, and so you might find that the contact lens solutions, the generic brand, might be fine, but then all of a sudden in a couple months your eyes might be irritated and dry or sensitive, and sometimes it means that the generic brand of the contact lens solution isn't the same as what you were using a couple months ago. These name brand of contact lens solutions are definitely going to be the same ratio, the same preservatives, everything that's in there, and so they are consistent. Everything that you'll buy today will likely be the same a year from now. So the biggest thing that I'll mention is if your contacts are feeling a little bit dry or irritating, definitely go to a name brand solution. They really have narrowed it down and thought very, very hard and figured out how to make the perfect blend of contact lens solution that can make your contacts feel better. Hey, I hope this helps you choose the best contact lens solution for your contact lenses. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. Hit that like button while you're down there. I'm Dr. Neil Gaiman, Dr. Eye Guy, focusing on you and your eyes. Check out my other videos right there, and I'll see you in the next video.